Hello, third graders. Welcome to lesson 2.6. Today we're talking about equal groups. And you might be thinking, we did a lesson on equal groups not too long ago. And that is in fact true. And today we're going to look at some other methods on how to do those and trying to find a method that is more efficient. And if you don't know what that means, I'll tell you in just a second, right? So equal groups here, right? We know that each of these groups has there are three groups, excuse me, 1 2 3, each one has 2 dots, and so we can think, all right, so we could count by twos. Ooh, I dragged it. 2 4 6, or we could count 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, or that is the same as 3 groups of 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. So equal groups problems, that is our goal today. There's our objective to be able to explain and solve equal group story problems, and it goes right here with our equal groups math standard. So here's a problem that I want you to start with. I'll read this to you, and then you'll get a chance to work on it. It says you have 4 packages of pencils. There are 6 pencils in each package. How many pencils in all? So take a moment and you can use your notebook to decide what you think that should be. All right, let me talk about some of the things that I might have seen. I might have seen some people draw 4 packages of pencils, 2 3 4, and put 6 in each one. This. Okay, and then count them all up to get 24. Some people might have counted groups of 4, right? You could count by fours. 4, 8. Well, actually, I would have counted groups of 6 probably. Well, probably wouldn't have counted groups of 4. So if this is 6, then this is 12, 18, 24. We can see that 24 is the correct answer. Okay, we could have done 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Now, when you start adding that many numbers together in that long a line, it can get kind of confusing, and you can get 24. Ooh, that's supposed to be 24. 24. Or I might have seen this 6 equal groups of 4 equals 24. So let's talk about this, about these strategies. Which of these strategies, oh, made it disappear. Which of these strategies takes a really long time? Hey, it is the drawing circles strategy. And so today we're going to talk about trying to do things more efficiently. Efficiently, it means in a little bit less time, right? Without extra time being spent. So I'm not here to say that you can't do this, but I am here to have you think about, what happens in the next few months when, or even into fourth grade, but certainly in third grade when you have 8 times 9, and then you have to draw 8 circles and put 9 in each. And then, I teach fourth grade. What happens when you do 53 times 6? Right? Are you going to draw 53 circles and put 6 things in each time? It's going to be kind of difficult. So our goal here is to try to move beyond the pictures. Now, if you need the pictures, you may do the pictures, but we're going to look at trying to find some more efficient ways to do these problems. So look at the I do here. I'm going to show you this. We have this page. It is in your SRB. If you want to find it online, you don't need to because I have the page right here. Right? There are 3 packages of party horns. Let's look for the party horns. There they are, party horns, with 8 horns in each package. Okay, so 3 packages, 8 horns. So first I'm going to do kind of a slow method, right? Okay, so 3 packages, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to put 8 in here. 5, 6, 7, 8. See, it's taking me a long time. And like I said, if you need this, you go ahead and do it. But I'm going to encourage you. Now I have to count up every single one of these, right? And if I miscount, I'm going to end up getting the problem wrong. So that is one thing that we could do. Now, What else could we do? What if we wanted to get this to be a little bit um, more efficient? So 3 packages with 8 horns in each. Well, I could think about this like 3 groups of 8. Oh, that's not an 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8. Hey, that works for sure. That's going to get me to the correct answer. 8 plus 8, this is a double, is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24, which is what I would have gotten if I would have counted up all those things on my picture just a few minutes ago. And I can also think, well, oops, too far. If I know that 3 groups of 8, all right, I could write 3 times 8 equals. This is why we've been singing this song, right? Jingle bells. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. There it is, the 24. So I could work with that. I could count by threes like you saw, like you heard me do. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. Okay, so we're trying to go with a more efficient strategy today instead of drawing all the circles. All right, so here's the next question. I would like for you to read it, and I would like for you to tell me about what you think we should do in this problem. All right, you might have said draw a picture. I could. I'm going to try to do something a little bit that takes a little bit less time. You could have said count by fives. Yes, right? You could have said count by threes. Yes. You could have said add um, three groups, excuse me, 5 groups of 3, right? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, because each bag has 3 marbles in it. Yes. You could have said multiply 5 times 3. All of those would work. What do you think the answer is? The answer is 15. 15 what? 15 marbles. Marbles. All right, so this is equal groups problems. We can multiply, we can use some repeated addition. If you need to draw the pictures, you can. But your job today is to do number 1. Now, number 1 goes all the way down half the page. This is Math Journal, page 46. And in fact, go ahead and open to this because I'm going to write something down on here that you need to write also. All right, so we're on this page. The directions say, let's make this bigger. Use the information on the dollar store poster student reference book, okay, and that's the page that I've been showing you, to solve each number story, right? Use an efficient strategy. Share your thinking with drawings or words, so you can do drawings if you want. Write number models to show your thinking. All right, now, in this question, it says Shanna buys 3 boxes of mini stock cars to share with her classmates. How many cars does she have altogether? What you need to know that's on that page is a box equals 10 cars. So write that down here because you're going to need to use that piece of information. If you don't write it down, you're going to have no idea how to do this problem. 1 box equals 10 cars. And then the other thing that you're going to need to know on the second part is how much the box costs. So how much do 3 boxes of cars cost? A box costs $4. Okay, so like we said, you can draw the picture here, but if you can come up with a better method that gets you to the answer a little bit more quickly and is more efficient, then you can do that. Okay, now we're not doing number 2 today, but don't cross it out because we're going to come back to it. Hey, your job here is to do number 1. That is what you are turning in. All right, 3rd graders, that is all for today. I will see you next time, and good luck.